and serve the mocktail with. Hello everyone, my name is Dityendu Acharya. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more Kiwi based mocktail, Kiwi Island. How to make Kiwi Island mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to add lots of ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze on lime. After that, you have to add 20 to 30 ml of kiwi crush. Then you have to add some lemon syrup. After that, you have to add some lychee juice. You have to add 60 to 120 ml of lychee juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well with the shaker. This is the two-layer mocktail. Okay. Okay. Then take a type of glass. You can take a big glass, that is better, because sorry, take a silicone glass. Then you have to add some vanilla syrup and you have to add the soda. Then simply with the help of bar spoon, okay, slowly you have to pour the see how the fancy color can be totally different. Then you can garnish the mocktail with orange slices and serve the mocktail with straw and add some mint leaf. This is the very fancy mocktail. Actually, you can try. This is the Kiwi Island mocktail with the two-layer based mocktail. Very fancy mocktail. Actually, you can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail. If you want to learn some different type of mocktail, you can see my video. You can find lots of mocktail video will be there. Thank you.